The Nigerian Economic Society (NES) has commended Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria MAAUN Kano for the successful hosting of its 63rd annual conference. The conference was held from Tuesday 27th September to 29th September 2022 at the School of Social and Management Sciences. The president of NES, Professor Ahmed Jalingo, made the commendation during the closing ceremony of the conference on Thursday, 28th September 2022. Professor Jalingo specifically commended the Emir of Kano, Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, and the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, for physically attending the closing ceremony. The past 3 days has been very eventful, and we have to use this opportunity to commend His Royal Highness, the Emir of Kano, Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, and the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, for attending the closing ceremony. We feel highly honored for this singular honor done to us and our association in the Nigerian Economic Society, she added. The NES president said the association under her leadership would continue to advise the government on the possible measures that will tackle the problems of economic challenges bedeviling the country. In his closing remarks, the Emir of Kano, Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero, advised the federal government to open its doors for more ideas on the economy, noting that there are a lot of young Nigerians in the universities and other critical stakeholders who could participate intelligently in the debate for the search for ways to better the economy. No doubt the knowledge and expertise of members of the NES can indeed get the Nigerian economy out of the woods as the economy has continued to dwindle. The revenue being generated is not therefore enough for the government to provide amenities for its people, the monarch added. The conference, themed Fiscal Sustainability and Policy Response for Economic Recovery in Nigeria, was designed to provide intellectual leadership in the process of understanding and managing economic, social, and political changes in Nigeria. The closing ceremony was also attended by the Vice President Administration of MAAUN Nigeria and Niger, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar and Dr. Shaibu Usman Tanko, respectively.